Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to fix mic on Discord not working. To start this tutorial, either open your internet browser or open your Discord application in your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once in Discord, make sure you click on Unmute on the lower left. You will know it's unmuted because there will be no red slash on the microphone icon. Then, tap on the gear icon, which is User Settings. Once you're here, scroll down and then look for Voice and Video. Once you are in Voice and Video, over at Input Device, you will need to choose which microphone you will be using. And then over at Output, this means you'll be choosing which speaker you will be using. And then in here, when you click on Test Mic, whenever time you speak, a green bar will appear over at the levels to give you an indication that your mic is properly working. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.